Hello, Oliver here from the company E-Trading Europe, and in this video I want to show you what we have in the warehouse. It is Huawei LCD Service packs. If you are interested in any of them, please contact me or one of my colleagues and we will be able to assist you. As you might already know, beside Huawei LCD Service packs, we have other original spare parts and accessories, for example Apple. If you are also interested in them, please contact me or one of my colleagues and we will be able to assist you. You can find more information under this video. Thank you for watching it. See you later.